Še zadnjem pripravljalnem obračunu so se naši pubeci v Ljudskem vrtu pomerili z bolgarskim Cskajem 1948. Po dobrem prvem polčasu smo v drugem spremljali povprečno tekmo, videli po en gol. V vsakem polčasu in na koncu je bilo 1:1. To je bila tudi zadnja pripravljalna tekma. Kmalu bo šlo zares. Nova sezona se bo začela štajerskim derbijem. Vse informacije o vstopnicah na nkamaribor.com. Tu pa so najzanimivejši trenutki zadnjega pripravljalnega obračuna.
It was a very competitive game, but it's good. It's good to play friendly games like this. For us, it's good. I think we play good. The first half was like we need to catch the rhythm, but we did. The second half was better, but yeah, for us it's good. Good test. I know this place very well. For me, after the injury, it's very good to stay here. I like it a lot, and yeah, I'm looking forward for the Maribor.
First of all, for today, I would like to say thank you to all of our fans that come today. Even it was a friendly game, it was almost like a official game atmosphere. So I would like to really thank from my heart to all of our fans that come here. We would like to show them a good game, a good football, with and without the ball, high intensity. In some parts of the game, I think in the first 15-20 minutes of the game, it was good. We applied what we have prepared with the ball. And also there were some good high pressure moments, some good pressure moments also without the ball. But between the 20 minutes of the game until 65 minutes of the game, we didn't manage to do what we wanted. After 65 minutes, the game was again balanced, and we could have created chances where if we were a little more attention in the last passes or last shots, we could have also scored second goal today.